Today I want to present you 4 properties which has $1 million view at a fraction of the cost. They are located with the best view on the lake, and so let's check it out.
Everybody, I'm Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala.
So these properties are located between Panarachel and Santa Catarina Palotpo, and what's it's called Sunset Road and Mansion Road. Both of them are easy access from Panarachel and have the best view on the area. And the second one are located just after the village of Santa Catarina as well, with one of the best views you can have. The first lot has a cost of $48,000. It's one of the cheapest lot at the moment, and it have 70 meters on the road, and it's only 4 kilometers from Panarachel, 180 meters deep. It's a narrow street, but it goes from the street up high, and from there it has the best views as well because it's straight across San Pedro Volcano. The second lot is $150,000. It's much bigger. It's closer to the village of Santa Catarina. It's 60 front on the street. The view is more south-east. Santa Catarina is a famous village to have the houses painted, so you enjoy a nice view and the lake as well.
And don't forget to click on our channel, click on the bell button as well if you want to be on the videos, and share it with whoever you think would be interested in investing in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala.
Our third lot is $105,000. It's a title property just after the village of Santa Catarina Palopo. It's a 1,200-meter lot with 30 meters on the street, and it offers one of the most spectacular view of the area, where it's only residential houses. Our first lot is $85,000. It's in a private compound, so it's very safe and secure. It's also a title property. It's a kind of a point sticking out on the ground, and again you have a fantastic view of the volcanoes. It's only 1,000 square meters, but it's enough space to make a beautiful house with a swimming pool. Atitlan Solution has the capacity to build the house of your dream. We can help you all the way from the location of the land, the drawing, and the authorization. And we have ample experience in the matter, and we are happy to share our reference with you. Lake Atitlan is a place where you can get $1 million view at a fraction of the cost. Don't hesitate.